Textile designer Katie Henniger from Perham, Minnesota, has been able to achieve her dream of having her own successful line of fabrics without leaving the comfort of her home. Here's a look into the process that takes an artist's idea from the sketchbook to bolts of fabric. Fabric which can be found in quilt shops around the world.
One of the cool things is that they took my exact handwriting and printed that on fabric. My name is Katie Henniger, and I am a designer of fabric for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. Robert Kaufman is based out of Los Angeles, California, but I operate out of my mom's quilt shop and also out of my home in Perham, Minnesota. My first concept was a line of fabric that I called Chirp. It was a baby panel that featured a birth announcement square and a lot of birds throughout the whole line. Well, this is an example of when I send the company my proposal. I just did very rough sketches to start with, then gave them a very detailed explanation of what I was envisioning. After getting the first, okay, yes, we like this idea, this concept, they also came back with more ideas of what they thought they could take from my original ideas and make even better. And then it was just kind of a collaborative process of them giving me a little seed of an idea and then saying, could you work on something that would use the birds in a different way? And then me coming back with a couple options and then them picking their favorite. When we started with this very basic heart print, I had the option of all of these for design. So I had to decide if I liked the more drawn look or if I wanted a more computer generated look. I chose the drawn look. Then I'm given many options for color. These are the three that ended up being printed, not this one. This is the hardest part of the entire process because this is when they ask me to take what I have spent so much time and energy into and what I would say that as an object I love, and then they want me to edit it. So I have to edit it down to just the right number of bolts that they feel a shop could purchase to put in their store. After I approve the artwork for the first time with Los Angeles, and they get down to every little tiny thing. Like if I had said, I don't want these leaves to be yellow, I want them to be green, they would change that. They then send the screens to Korea for the first printing. And the first printing then comes back with just a very tiny strip of fabric. So this is what I'm sent the next time. And you can see here is the fabric. So then I check this for the color. Do I like the colors? Are they a little bit too green, a little bit too yellow? Once I okay it, then they go back to and send it to Korea and say, yes, it's a go. And then that's what's used for printing the entire line in 15-yard bolts. I will tell you that's the most nerve-wracking thing is when the fabric comes to our store. You would think it would be the most exciting time for me. It's the most nervous time for me because I'm always so afraid it's not going to sell. And that would be the worst feeling. Robert Kaufman has really given me the opportunity to do whatever I want to with my lines, to own my lines and, you know, stand behind them. And then they do such a great job of then taking over and marketing it to the stores that, for me, it's a perfect relationship. I do not need to go to LA. I am very, very happy living right here in Perham, Minnesota. A long time ago, I envisioned myself living in New York. I have visited New York many times. It's a great place to visit, but I would never want to live there. I live blocks away from the store. I can go home whenever I want to. It's a fabulous place for my kids to grow up. I'm right with my family all the time. No way. I would never leave.
Prairie Mosaic is funded by the Minnesota Arts and Cultural Heritage Fund with money from the vote of the people of Minnesota on November 4th, 2008. The North Dakota Humanities Council, a nonprofit, independent state partner of the National Endowment for the Humanities, the North Dakota Council on the Arts, and by the members of Prairie Public.